Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add makeup to your pictures or videos in Capcut. So you can just select the picture and you are going to select the retouch button, go to face. There's some other stuff, but I'm just going to add makeup. There's a few that are like you have to buy it, and of course Taylor doesn't need makeup, but this is just an example. So I'm just going to select this one, and here you can kind of adjust the makeup on the person. You can also just add in stuff like eyelashes only if you want to, and you don't want to add in other things like eyeshadow. So I'm just going to try to add in just eyelashes and maybe lipstick. It is totally up to you though. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!